So by now, you know that the big winner was the hippo. And I'm just going to show you a little bit about how this kit comes together. That's what she's going to look like. There's some basic directions on the back, but I've made a bunch, so I don't need those. And then all the pieces come like this, all flat, and they have a number, a big number on them, and then small numbers on some tabs. And I'll fold the folds the right way and glue them together. I have them all put in order. Also in the package is a bottle of glue and a popsicle stick to help me with making the folds. There's a practice piece comes in the package too, but I don't need it because I've made a few. So here we go. Okay, so that was about 10 or 15 minutes. I put 2 pieces together by folding and gluing. So I'll check back in and give an update later, but I hope to have it done in a few evenings. So I spent one evening and now I've got the bottom jaw done. So I'm back and it's the day before school starts and I have most of her, right? But I gotta finish the head and I got a few pieces left. So I'm gonna sit and see if I can finish this before tomorrow morning. Yes, Penelope.